we have an alternate to commercial database at a very commercial and cost effective with all the features of a commercial database, alternative to commercial database, I would say, available with us. And we have a good footprint in the Government of India, and we are working very closely with National Informatics Center, with system integrators who are implementing a lot of e-governance projects in the state government level, and also many central mission mode projects. And so we also are very keen to collaborate and make the e-governance initiatives more consolidated in terms of interoperability of data and applications, making it, if not real time, making it near real time. So that is the objective, and we are getting good support from the Government of India. E-India has been a good platform for us because we have been able to meet all the state government IT secretaries out here, and we got a presentation session also done over here, which has been appreciated by everybody. And it has been a real pleasure because we have been able to meet the right kind of decision makers at a same place, which I think is one of the good things. And they have been able to pull in the right kind of people from the bureaucracy, the right decision makers whom we are already collaborating. And after coming here, we have been able to work with them and have a more detailed discussion, which has resulted, I think we can do much better work, and it has given us a very good platform. Thank you.